Hey, what's up everybody? This is Jay Solano with Rocket Income Tax, and I just wanted to go over a quick form for employees that work for companies have to fill out when they first get the job or on a yearly basis. Sometimes your job sends out this form, which is called the W4 form. To give you a quick example of what happens when this is done incorrectly, one of the things that this particular client that I have here, as you can see in the box number 1, they made $54,000, and in box number 2, which is the federal tax income tax withheld, was $2,859. Now what happens with that is that's not even 10% of what they made. When you don't pay enough and you come to a tax professional like myself to do your taxes, when I put these numbers into the system, I mean, even from looking at it, I already know that this person will owe some taxes because they didn't pay enough taxes during the year. Now, this is up to the individual themselves of how they want to handle that, right? Some people don't care if they have to pay a few bucks or a few thousands when they do their taxes, or they pay it throughout the year. So let's hop into the form real quick because I don't want to make this video too long for you. Now, this is the W4 form for 2024. It looks the exact same almost for 2023, not a big difference. What you want to do is you want to put in your first name, John Smith. You want to put in the address. I'll put my office address, but this is your address. That's what you're supposed to put there. I'm just putting where my office is located. And this here is very important. So I have individuals that, they're married. I have a lot of different clients. I have clients that are married outside of the country. The best thing that I recommend for everyone to do is to pay the max amount of taxes throughout the year. So if it were me, when I was an employee of different companies, what I would do is I would put single. Once you read over step 2, if it does not apply, then you do not have to check the box. And step 3 is the amount of dependents that you want to claim. So let's say, for example, if you have 2 kids at home, then right here, if they're under age 17, you want to put 4,000 because it's 2 kids, right? However, I am telling you to put 0 on everything. Put 0. This is going to take out the max amount of taxes. When Donald Trump came into the office, he made changes to the taxes where they already are giving you a little bit more of your paycheck throughout the year, right? So what happens is when you come in here, and let's say, for example, you put 2,000, what end up happening is this right here, right? So the person made 54,000 and they didn't withdraw not even 10% of the federal taxes. Why? Because of that reason, that same reason right here. He probably put 2,000 on there, or 4,000. You don't want to do that. You want to put 0 so that way you can pay the max throughout the year. And once you go file, you'll get a small refund back if you have no dependents, or if you have dependents, then you'll get your maximum refund back. Now for this step here, again, 0. If you want extra withholding, if you're someone that you want to play safe, usually I have a lot of clients that they make about 100K a year and it doesn't withdraw enough for them. So when they come file the taxes, if they're just a plain W2, they don't have any business or anything like that, they don't really donate to charities or anything like that, what they do is they come here and they put a little bit extra to be paid. So let's say, for example, they put down $100 additional on top of the taxes that's already being withdrawn. That's usually how that's called tax planning. So that way when someone that makes 100K comes into the office and they file their taxes, they don't owe anything. They break out even, because some jobs they don't withdraw enough, unfortunately. And then the final step, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and sign, and the bottom part your employer will handle. Best of luck. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I will put the email in the comments, and I will also put the website in the comments in case you need any help filing your taxes. Have a wonderful day.